My name is Josphat MTWANA. I'm a student from the University of Nairobi, and I'm doing a Master's of Science in Biology of Conservation. Currently, I'm working on my master's project in Lamu, and I'm working on the assessment of feasibility and willingness of carbon crediting among communities in Kenya, in MTWANA area. So local communities and indigenous people across the world contributing very little towards climate change. But this is because they are living a very low carbon life. They are contributing very little to emission of these greenhouse gases which contribute to climate change. But communities are fighting climate change, and this is because they are fighting the local environmental changes through adaptation and mitigation measures. And in adaptation, for example, communities are combining agricultural activities with non-farming activities in order to fight these environmental changes. So maybe they are doing agriculture, but it has been impacted by local environmental changes, but they are doing also some other activities like small business activities in order to fight the issue of climate change. For mitigation, some communities are doing what we call agroforestry, where they plant trees in conjunction with crops. Currently, communities are being sensitized to participate in mangrove conservation for carbon crediting. It's a program where you plant trees, you restore degraded areas in a forest, you protect a forest, so that as that forest grows and becomes like very healthy, it attracts this carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through the process of photosynthesis. And some people somewhere are doing pollution. Maybe they are traveling by aeroplane, they are doing industrial processing, and they are emitting a lot of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. So they pay these local communities for their effort in conservation, in protection of this particular forest, and in restoration of this particular forest, because they have sequestered that carbon dioxide which they have emitted somewhere else. So when we talk of blue economy, mangroves are part of the ecosystems which are found within the blue environment. Conserving mangroves through carbon crediting incentives can be a good way to ensure restoration of these resources which can be found within the blue environment, such as the fisheries, and also it helps meeting the whole global goal of fighting against climate change. My name is Josphat MTWANA. I'm an MSc student from the University of Nairobi, and I'm a very strong believer of blue economy. Remember, if there is no blue, there is no green.